The UK's traffic light system for international travel will end soon. Critics of the UK's travel system have pointed out that the country's travel sector is opening up far more slowly than the rest of the world. Holidaymakers and the travel industry find the system to be confusing and disappointing, as not enough time is given between review and implementation of new rules. In this video, we talk about the upcoming changes for UK travellers. Find out how it will impact your trip abroad. But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigration&migration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one and would like some assistance. It has been reported that the UK's widely criticised traffic light system governing international travel could be scrapped by next month. It will be replaced by a new system based on the vaccination status of travellers rather than the COVID infection rates of the destination. This would mean that green and amber would disappear as separate categories, and the red list would remain, as travellers from high-risk areas are still required to quarantine in government-approved hotels upon return to the UK. At present, fully vaccinated holidaymakers can already travel to amber countries without having to quarantine on their return, after the government dropped the requirement to self-isolate. The British government has not given any indication as to when the traffic light system could end. Some experts have predicted the restrictions could be scrapped as early as this month, but this appears unlikely, with the next review scheduled for just over a week's time. Paul Charles, CEO of the PC agency, earmarked the 1st of October as the key date. He stated on Twitter, "The traffic light system is expected to be scrapped by the 1st of October at last. Airlines and some of us in the sector are aware of plans to create a simpler system, where countries are either red or not. This would be the US model in effect, which I've been calling for. A simplified high-risk and low-risk classification for countries would bring the UK more in line with other nations, and focus travel on the vaccination status of the travellers." The traffic light system is being reviewed every 3 weeks, with announcements on Wednesdays or Thursdays. The most recent review was on the 26th of August, meaning the next one is expected on either 15 or the 16th of September. Major European destinations such as Spain, France, Italy, Greece, and Portugal are again likely to remain on the amber list, which mean fully vaccinated people can continue to visit these places without having to quarantine upon return. There are fears that Jamaica is at risk of being added to the red list after the Foreign Office updated its guidance to advise against all non-essential travel to the Caribbean island. There will also be plenty of attention on Turkey and Pakistan, both of which were speculated to be moved to the amber list at the last review. Do you agree with ending the traffic light system for international travel? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator. If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.